What's up, everybody? Okay, today we're going to be talking about cargo. This thing is amazing, and with its latest update, this thing is incredible. This is KITBASH. It comes with, if you do it monthly or whatever, you get cargo, which is this app that you download, and you can just go into any one of these things and download all of these models and use them. And these models are really nice. Really nice, Mrs. K. Look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Detailed models. Just plug and play. You can build scenes in minutes. Alright? I was gonna say years, but it's not years, is it? It's not. It's whatever. They've just released a brand new plugin, so it's not per project based anymore, and you don't have to have your project on C drive. You can have it wherever you want. Once you've installed it, you can just go to this little thing here, connect to cargo, load up cargo. Let's take a model that we've done. You can just download any model. Let's take Brutalist. I've downloaded these, and let's just take something like that. Okay. It'll ask you to download it. You download it. You set wherever you want your models and stuff to download. You choose whatever you want to send it to. Unreal. You can set the target softwares in your account. You can choose what texture size you want, and that's it. You can hit import, and once you hit import, that's it. It'll be there in Unreal's engineering. This is a lovely set. Look, once you sign up to it, if you do sign up, you can just buy the kits. You can go through it, and you can just buy any kit you want. They're expensive. I ain't gonna lie. They're $200. I mean, they often have sales and stuff, but their stuff is really beautiful, man. I love their models. You can make some incredible scenes with them. Or you can go the cargo route. Now, the cargo route is like you can pay up, explore the planes, and it's also pretty damn expensive monthly. It's quite expensive, but $600 a year. It's not bad, man. It's not bad, because with that, you get access to the app, and in the app, man, there are so many sets, and within those sets, you could just go in and you can just download everything. Now over here, you can go into the account, you can set it all up so it goes straight through. This new update is what makes it awesome for me. It's incredible, because the old update, you had to go through Unreal each project, and you could only have it on your C drive. As far as I know, it's the only thing that worked for me. But with this latest update, it goes into the engine, so all your projects have it, and once you set it up, you can have your project anywhere, and it just works. You can choose where you want to download all the files, and then you can just bring them into your project. And over here, I have downloaded a few. I've downloaded, let's say, a couple. Let's try and get something interesting. Let's go into Warzone, and you can just click on a model, and you can hit download. And once you've done that, this you could just set up to Unreal 3 or Unreal 5.3 or wherever, Maya, Houdini, whatever the hell you want it to. And then you can pick your texture size, and that's it. So, and then you can hit download. Let me show you on something that's not downloaded. Something like that, mate. And you can just click on a model, set what you want here. Okay, set what you want. And Unreal, this is all set up inside of, you can add new softwares and stuff, and you can download for that. And then you can just hit download, and that's it. It'll download that, and once it's downloaded, it'll be on your hard drive, so you don't have to download it again. Okay, but they don't take that long to download either, which is cool. So you'll see a little download bar there, and it'll download. Now the nice thing is that you can, sorry, the mic was gone, mate. The mic was gone. The nice thing is you can also go and get other ones while you're waiting for it. You can go and you can download, and it'll just place in the queue. You can see how many are downloading at the bottom there. You can even go out of your kits, and you can go into any other kit and start downloading any other thing you want, which is awesome. There's also vehicles here which you can go into, which I love these new ones. They're beautiful. Like, say for this one, Unreal gives you all your things. Look at it, it's beautiful, mate. Look at that. Look at that, Ari. It's really beautiful. Let's download that one too. It's really beautiful, and that's it. You know, you can get out of this. It shows you it's still in the queue. It's fine. You can go get what else you want. So you can search by models. You can have all these filters up here. It's really ace, man. It's a really cool thing. Love it. So then, once you've got that, how does it work? Well, okay, let's just go into like something like construction or something, and you can choose what model you want. I've downloaded these, and let's just pick one. Let's just pick one of those. Select how you want to send it through, and before you do that, mate, have Unreal open. So once you're in Unreal Engine and you've installed it, mate, you've installed it from this thing, from through accounts, and you've installed it, what happens, mate, is that you can go up to here. You'll see it here, like a little thing called Cargo KITBASH. You would have to install it through plugins, and then just look up Cargo. Make sure that's on, restart your engine, all good, and then what you can do is you can just click this and say connect to Cargo. Okay. Once that's done, love, you can just go into your Cargo, select any model that's done, okay, and just hit import, and that's it. Then you wait. Okay, so let's select something that we've downloaded. We can click on it and just say import. Bam. Select the texture size, select where you want it to go. You can add new places, but for now we want it to go into Unreal 5, people. 5. And when you go through Unreal, you'll see that it starts importing it, mate. It starts importing it. It's beautiful to look at. It's really beautiful. It's as quick as that. You click on the damn thing, you wait, and it comes. Okay, so the first time you bring in a model is going to take a long time. It's going to take a long time, but damn, that's because it's bringing in so many materials and stuff. But check this out, man. Check this out. Bam. Bam. Let's put him there. Let's get rid of this floor. Let's put him right there. Something like this. This is just using the metahuman that we used in a different project, but man, look at this. This is insane. There we go. Now, this should get better. I think these textures are too low resolution. Some models are a little bit low resolution, I ain't gonna lie, but, you know, some of them are really detailed, man. So, if you've got something like that, basically what happens is it makes a folder for you, and it puts in everything. So it puts in the actors, the blueprints for you. It puts in all the geometry that's been used, so you can use individual things as well. So if you bring in like a big piece, you can just start creating whatever you're looking for, mate, whatever you want. Look at that, look at that, bam, incredible, absolutely mental. The one thing I do wish it did is I wish it divided. So in other words, if you've got like these different scenes, ooh, I need that, mate, I need that. Okay, I'm going to import that because I like it. Okay, so that one just came through. It does take a while. It takes a while for them to come through, but when they do, mate, when they do, look at that. I don't think I'm getting the proper textures here, to be honest. These can't be the proper textures. Yeah, they start to load in. But, man, look at these. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? That is so nice, man. And with that, you can just, they start bringing in the blueprints, and you can just drag and drop them in. So I'm going to import a couple, and let's see how quick it is to make a scene. That's the beauty of this. Like, they've got these pre-made sets that you can just drag and drop in, and you can create these scenes that would take you hours to build, and it's just all already there. It's insane. It's awesome. So once you've got everything up and running, you know, you can just go to your Cargo, and here I've got a good few actors in. So there's all my actors. I wish they divided it up into the sets, you know, like the different sets they have, Ironforge, Havana Night. Yeah, it would have been great if they could have divided it up into those. But still, you know, once you've got these in, they've got all the blueprints there, which means you can just start dragging and dropping these things in, man. You can just start dragging and dropping these in, and they'll take a little while to load up. But you know, once they're all cached in, it's quick. It's quick, Artie. It's really quick, Artie. Now sometimes I get this where the materials don't load up properly. You just gotta download it again, and it kind of works. Delete the download and just do it again, and it should work. So from here you can just select, drag and drop these things in, and it literally is that quick, man. It's that quick, and you can start just building these wicked environments just so quickly. It's unbelievable. It's awesome. It's awesome. And I really love it. I really love it, Ari. Look at this. You can just drag and drop it in. Look at that, Ari. Just drag and drop it in, Just start creating these beautiful places, whatever you want to build. They are quite heavy. I'm not going to lie. They're quite heavy, but they're really nice. So, I mean, I wouldn't take these for like mobile games unless you're rendering them out or something, as like a background or backdrop or something. But otherwise, man, wow, 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 wow. Look at this. You can just drag it and drop it in. And it just makes life so easy, Harry. You can build scenes ridiculously fast with this, put it that way. Just really nice, man. Just really nice. Going up close up, you can see there's still a lot of glitches. I've noticed there's still glitches. I don't get this often, but it's all right, Ari. It's loading. It's loading in, Ari. It's all right. It's not its fault. So just when they don't load, don't go crazy, Ari. Just give it a little bit of time. Just give it a little bit of time, Ari. But you can start seeing how quick these things start adding up just so quickly, and you can start getting these scenes, and the quality is pretty damn good. Look, you're not going to go for quality like that, all right? Some assets are a hit and miss, okay, but with the textures, like this, and there we go. It fixes itself. Damn, this one's pretty damn good. Look at that. You can use this as pretty close up. It's really beautiful, man. Look at that. That's awesome. Already laid out, everything's done, and then on top of that you can go into your geometry and you can just go pick anything that you've had and just carry on doing it. So that's something I love about this, going to your geometry, and then you've just got all your assets here, all of your assets here. You want to bring one of these in, you can, boom. You can start building scenes so quickly, and the beauty is they've given you these awesome. Okay, my Unreal crashed. Anyway, I brought in a dragged and drop a ton of these models in here. You just drag and drop them in. And, I mean, from there, look at this. Everything is built for you. You can just start placing them where you want. And just start getting an entire scene out in minutes. Which is insane. It's crazy. The beauty of this is it's just its speed. Everything is built for you. Can you imagine how long it would take you to build something like this? To put every one of these buildings in, and just it's nuts. So, man, they've done a great job here. A great job. Let's turn this one around. Something like that. But within minutes, put down a floor. Obviously, mate, put down a floor. Put down one of them floors. And from there, you're just building. You're just building. Obviously this is really quick and shitty, but look at this. It's a city in minutes. It's a city in minutes. And the beauty is they are good enough that you can go relatively close. Look at that. Look at that, Ari. Look at that, Ari. This is bloody beautiful. This is brilliant. This is really brilliant, isn't it? So, I do love this thing. Absolutely adore it. I think they did a hell of a job. Some packs are better than others, I'm not going to lie. Some packs are really amazing, man. They've put the effort. The later packs, they've really put the effort in, like the texture sets and whatnot. But even the older ones, man, they're absolutely insane. They're insane, and they're beautifully done, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look how quick and easy it is to put together an entire. This would take people months to build. Months to build. Obviously, go in and make it all nice and stuff, but look at us, Ari. Look at us. Look at us. You're building entire scenes. They've given you entire scenes, Ari. You can go through it. You can look at it. But look at that. In a matter of a few seconds, you've built a city, Ari. And there are a ton of different packs. I mean, just look at us. Neighborhood shops, construction, retail stores, police department, Ari. Science fiction, got you covered. Medieval, got you covered. Shogun, got you covered. Warfare, I mean, Outlaw San Francisco, Los Angeles. Look at this Treasure Island. I mean, they've got incredible stuff here. And once again, you know, you go inside. Let's take look at that, spaceships. Ooh, interesting. Let's just take Neo Tokyo 2, and look at this. Just full-blown sets to get you started. And on top of that, all the little things to make this are separated as well. So you've got all of that power. This, for me, is just, it's brilliant. It's really brilliant. Some are built for really close-ups. Others are not. You know, like these massive buildings, you can see, you know. But something for the background or whatever, I mean, just minutes. So, man, I love this thing. I think it's a good price for just having access to all of these models. If you're into like a lot of these things and you want to build a lot, then this is just a no-brainer, man. Some things are done a little quick, but, you know, I think the construction set is a little bit of an older one. The newer models, man, I think they rock. So, well done on this. I absolutely adore this. It's easy to use. You set it up. You can just start chucking them in. Click what you want. Hit export. Bam. Import. Done. Choose your thing. They've done it in a really nice way. There's a few glitches. I mean, it's still young. It is still young. So, you know, they don't divide the models up. You can see here under cargo, they just chuck all the actors in there. I wish they didn't. I wish it was divided into you know, cargo and then Los Angeles, this, whatever. Because if you're in cargo already, you can just click static meshes or blueprints or whatever, and you can get all of them if you want to. So that would be a great little feature if they put that in. The other one is downloading multiple models at a time. You can't do that. You can, but you have to click each and every one of them. So if I'm in a kit, and I go into something like this, I can't just shift select all of them and just start downloading. You can't do that. You have to click on the first one, click on the second one, you know, and download them like this. And this is too much. This is too much. Just give me an option right here, from here, kits, right here. And as I scroll over, give me something that just says download entire kit, download entire kit. You know, this would help. This would help. And if I don't want to download the entire kit, I can just go into one of them and I can just click on them and start downloading from there. But otherwise, I think this is incredible. I love it. I love it, mate. A few little glitches with it, but once they iron this out, my God, this is absolutely brilliant. So that's KITBASH. You can create absolutely beautiful scenes in minutes using these models. Anyway, this is a noob look at it, how it works, how easy it is to set up, you know, the costs and stuff. It's not cheap, but then again, it's not that expensive. If you buy the individual kits, I think those are pretty damn expensive. Not gonna lie, mate. Not gonna lie. But you know, if you go through cargo, it's not bad for the year. It really isn't. And you know, whatever you've used in your projects, you get to keep in your projects. I think read the terms and conditions better, but you know, really amazing stuff. This. Anyway, I hope you guys are good. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you guys later. Bye, guys.